Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to display specific fields and the row from a Google Sheet on your WordPress website. This is done through our GS2WP table plugin that lets you create table directly from Google Sheet. So let's get started. First, create your login credentials in WordPress if you haven't already. Once you have your credentials, log into your WordPress dashboard. Now, open a new tab and navigate to Google Sheets. If you don't have a sheet yet, create a new one by clicking on New Table and choose either Real or Simple based on your preference. Fill expected your table into the sheet. Make sure to include the table head and the table data that you want to display on your WordPress site. Next, you need to share your table with anyone with this link so that it can be accessed by your WordPress site. Now, it's time to publish your table on WordPress. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and find the GS2WP table option under either Real or Simple. In the GS2WP table settings, paste the link of your Google Sheet into the provided field. Feel free to configure any additional settings or styling options as needed. Once you're done with the settings, click on the Generate button to create the shortcode for your table. Copy the generated shortcode. Finally, go to your WordPress post or page where you want to display the table. Paste the shortcode into the content area of the post or page. Don't forget to update or publish the post or page to make the table visible on your WordPress site. And there you have it. You successfully displayed specific fields and the whole row from your Google Sheet on your WordPress website. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you next time.